Sophia Smith, o mas kilala ngayon sa pangalang Fiang, ay naghatid ng taos-pusong pagpapasalamat at paghingi ng tawad sa kanyang mga solid na supporters na since day one, hindi siya iniwan. Ayon sa pretty and cute na si Fiang, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat na may nakita kayo sa akin na hindi ko nakikita. And ayon, from the very start, na 6 times ako na-nominate. Sana, hindi ko po naubos yung pera nyo. Sobrang sorry po. Ako po nagso-sorry. Hindi ko naman po sinasadya maging nominado ako ng ganun kadami. But yeah, thank you very much for all the love and the support. Ito ang makahulugang pahayag ng dalaga sa kanyang interview kamakailan. Sophia Smith, she is a shining star, humble, and multi-achiever. Owned a car at the age of 17. She has a multiple face cards of products and endorsement. She was one of the biggest TikTok influencers of the Philippines. And now, she is a PBB Gen 11 big winner. Family-oriented din si Sophia Smith, caring, and sweet ate, the one and only, makulit, prangka, at mapagmahal, Sophia Smith, aka Fiang.